Hey there. So now we will learn about LCD display module. So let us break down first. So what does LCD stands for? As we have learnt in OLED that LD means light emitting diode, but here it is LCD stands for liquid crystal display. So this is what LCD is pronounced in full form. So let us start to understand the components of this LCD module. So first we will start with this display here on the screen. That is, LCD screen is actually a front display area. So this is where the visible screen is there. So what it is made of? So it is made of liquid crystals, and it doesn't produce light on its own like OLED, and it needs the backlight to be visible. So it usually shows text like 16 into 2, that is 16 characters in 2 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and we can place 16 characters in this, that is 8 characters on top, 8 characters on down. So altogether it makes 16 into 2, that is 16 characters in 2 lines. So backlight is the LED light behind this green colored screen here. So behind this there is that backlight, right? So what it does is it will provide light so we can see the text on this screen. So without it, screen looks blank, like how it is now. So now, with that backlight, we have another controller which is IC. It has a black block or chips. So these, that is like a brain of this. So if we want to see that, then we need to turn this back. So these two here are like V1 and V2. These are the main brains of these are based on HD 44780 controller, and it controls the characters on the main screen, and it will convert signal into the text display. So overall, you can say that this is the brain of LCD display. So now, moving forward, we have so many pins here compared to other modules we have learned till now. So here we have is VCC pin, and it has not marked now, but we can insert in a pin as we do in a Raspberry Pi, and we can name that. So we have is VCC pin, GND pin, RS, E pin, and D0, D7, and A and K pin. So what does that do? So VCC pins are power pins, like which is used to power on the circuit, and GND pin, that is ground pin, is used to manage the negative current all over the circuit, and RS and E pin will are controller pins that will control all the data, and it will send directly to the V1 and V2, that is the brain of the display module. And D0 and D7 pins are data pins which will take the data from the program, and from Arduino those pins will be sending the same data to the display module here. And A and K pin are backlight pins. So these pins will manage the backlight, like how bright it should be or how light it should be. All and everything is managed at A and K pins. So altogether, these pins are connected to the Arduino or any microcontroller which we are using, and these pins are used to communicate between the LCD and the microcontroller which we are using. So there is one more important point here. So that like there is a V0 pin here in this, which is a contrast control pin. It is very important pin which will adjust the screen clarity. It is connected to the potentiometer usually. If not set properly, then this screen here may look too blank or too dark. So that is why it is the potentiometer is used. So we will learn about potentiometer too in coming videos. So with the potentiometer is usually used with V0 pin. It will help adjust the contrast manually and rotate knob to make the text visible. So next we have is all together, all this board here, the green colored board is actually a PCB board, that is printed circuit board. So it holds all the components and it connects all the component all together, and it will work accordingly. So how it is worked? In a simple form, you can say that Arduino will send the data to this LCD module, and controllers, IC, and everything will process that, and liquid crystal align those data in a visual form. So backlight makes the text visible. So this is how it is used. So why LCD is used? It is easy to use, and it is good for simple text, and OLED is used for the high-end text or advanced text. So overall summary, screen will show the text on it, and backlight provides the light, and controllers will process the data, and these pins here will connect to Arduino, and it is used to communicate with the Arduino. So this is used where we need uh, value for to text display and anything like that. That is where we'll be using this module. So in this video we learnt about LCD display module, which is liquid crystal diode or liquid crystal display. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.